Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Pratham for Learning. Thank you for liking my videos. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so that you never miss another video. In the last video, we talked about 3 R's of conservation. In this video, we will talk about how to apply the 3 R's of conservation. Let's revise the 3 R's of conservation song. Reduce, reuse, recycle, recycle, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. It's easy to do. With your trash and my trash, make way too much trash. Reduce, reuse, recycle. It's easy to do. First, we will talk about reduce. How to reduce use of natural resources such as water. Water is a natural resource and the earth only has so much fresh water to drink and use, so it is important to not waste water. Let's learn some small steps that will help us conserve one of the most important natural resources. Number 1, not letting the water run when you brush your teeth. Number 2, make sure to turn off the tap after you're done. Number 3, take short showers. When we use water carefully, we are helping to conserve the water. Conserve means to save. Have you heard an old saying, waste not, want not? That means if we are careful to not waste our natural resources, then we will have enough of what we need. But if we waste our natural resources, then someday we will run out of all of our natural resources, such as water or trees. Electricity is another resource that is created by natural resources, such as water. So it's important to reduce the use of electricity. We use electricity to power our lights, computers, phones, iPads, dishwashers, and many other gadgets. Let's learn some small steps to conserve electricity so that we have enough electricity to use. Number 1, make sure you turn off the lights when you leave a room. Number 2, during the day, use the sun's light instead of electricity. Number 3, turn off electronics when you're not using them. These were some examples to reduce the use of natural resources, but there are many other ways we can follow to reduce the use of natural resources. Let's talk about second R. Yes, let's talk about reuse, which means to use again. We can reuse in many ways, such as we can use an empty bottle to make a fun bird feeder, and we can make cans into planters. By using things instead of throwing them away, we help conserve our natural resources. Remember, waste not, want not. Our last R is recycle. Yes, recycle means to use things that have already been used to make something new. There are many things we use every day can be recycled into new material. Here are few things that we use that can be recycled into new material. Number 1, paper that we use in our study. Number 2, aluminum cans such as a can of soda. Number 3, glass like a glass jar. Number 4, plastic like a milk gallon. Let's make sure to follow the 3 R's of conservation in our daily life so that we can conserve the natural resources. This was a short video about how to reduce, reuse, and recycle. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye. Thank you.